Go into your working folder and open up attributes.ai. We're about to do a little attribute hunting. Now, we did actually in the previous lesson, when we work with the magic wand tool, we were selecting attributes like a color or whatever. This is just a different way to do it, and we actually have some more options too. We're going to be going up to the word select and using these two options right here, same and object. For example, let's say we select this obnoxious circle down here, and we want to see if we have anything else like it in terms of, color, weight, whatever. So we select it first. Then we go to the word select and go into, say, same, and say, how about same fill color? And as you can see, nothing else has that color. The question I think you ask yourself at this point is, why are we doing this? I mean, there's got to be a reason why. To me, the reason why, let's say, for example, that color is a logo color for a corporation. And you've got it in a couple of places in your Illustrator objects here. And you find out it's the wrong color. It's 4 points off cyan or something, so you have to change it. Well, it'd be very easy to select everything of that color and then make a change to it over here. Let's see. Let's leave it selected. Let's go back to the word select and go down to same, and this time let's do stroke weight. And you can see we do have several items that have the same stroke weight, which if we wanted to change, we could now change right over here. Multiple selections of similar objects is important because it helps you change them easily, find out where they are. Let's say we select, this guy right here. And we go back up again. Now you can see we have all kinds of things under same, appearance, opacity, all kinds of things. Under object, you've got things like all on the same layers. And you can see we have several items that are all on the same layer. And we can then work with them. I mean, there's other ways to find out what's on a layer, but that would be one way. Select one of them and find out what else is on that layer. Let's go ahead and click over here to unselect. Incidentally, I am just using my simple selection tool up here. Let's select this guy right here. Then let's go up to the word select again and go down to same and, let's check for fill and stroke. And you can see in that case, that's the only one that has that unique fill and that unique stroke. Now, one or two of the ones up here that I really do like, I don't have anything selected. If I go up to the word select and go down to object, I like the option stray points. Now check out what happens when I do this. See those little dots right there? These are stray points. Now what are those? Well, here's what happens. You're working on something and you're using your pen tool and you inadvertently click somewhere. If it's not selected, you won't see it. Now, is it the end of the world if you leave them there? Not really. But you can now just simply press the delete key. That would be the backspace key in Windows and delete on a Mac, and get rid of all those stray points. The other one that I like, let me show you one more. If you go up to the word select again, you have an option under object, not aligned to pixel grid. Whoa, that means all of these things are not aligned to the pixel grid. Now, what does that mean? If an item is not aligned to a pixel grid, it has more of a chance of pixelating when you put it into something like a web page. But now that I have them selected, I can take steps to correct that problem. When you're selecting by attributes, you have the ability to select an object and then compare it to other objects. In doing so, you can then make global changes to those objects.